Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing my 2-month lock update. So I wanted to give you a view of what my hair looks like before I do my wash and retwist. This month I washed my hair twice. The first time was after my 1-month lock update, and then 2 weeks later I ended up retwisting my hair again because I got in the pool and my hair was, I retwisted it again. Ideally, I don't want to retwist it every 2 weeks. I want to wait 4 weeks in the beginning, and then once my hair starts to mature, I want to wait maybe like 6 to 8 weeks. The first year I'm not going to retwist every 2 weeks, but for this month I am going to wash my hair again and retwist it in a few days when I do wash it. My hair looks a little like, this side is like puffier than this side because when I retwisted my hair a few weeks ago, I retwisted it in a side part, so the hairs were like over here, and then I ended up switching it to a middle part. So these locks right here, they like kind of unraveled. As you can see, these ones on the other side that I didn't flip over, they're still holding a decent retwist, even though my hair is really fuzzy, but they're still holding the retwist, but these did not. So this is what my hair is looking like so far. I will say that this month I have had a lot of frizz in my hair. As you can see, like, I have twists, some twists where like a bunch of hair is coming out. Like, let's see if I can find one here. You can kind of see this one, like how much hair is like coming out of it. Yeah, on some of them it's way worse. Ooh, here's a better one. Like, just look how much frizz and how much hair is like outside. This one back here too, like, you see how long that is, and it's just like outside of the lock. Oh, my scalp. So I didn't say this or talk about this in the 1-month video, but the first month that I had these starter locks, my scalp was so itchy because it wasn't like dirty or anything or dandruffy. I didn't have a lot of buildup, but the oil that I was using on my scalp, which is the oil that I've used plenty times before, for some reason it was just like making my scalp so itchy. So I was using this peppermint oil. It was really making my scalp like ridiculously itchy. So I ended up switching oils to see if that would make a difference. So now I'm using castor oil directly on my scalp. I still use the peppermint oil, but I use it on the length of my hair. So yeah, I use castor oil directly on my scalp, maybe like whenever I feel like I need it. Definitely not every day because that's a really like thick and heavy oil. And then as far as the peppermint oil, I'll spray my hair with like a mixture of the rose water and regular water, and then I will put the peppermint oil on the length of my hair. I do spray my hair with the water every day, but I do not put oil in it every day. So budding. As far as budding goes, I feel like my hair hasn't been budding as much as I would, want it to. The buds are kind of expanding, I guess. You can definitely see this bud, and like, it's dense. Honestly, I feel like I haven't seen too much of a difference in my hair this month, but I also haven't really been paying attention to my hair really this month, just because I've kind of had a lot going on. I haven't really taken the time to like look at my hair every day like I did during the first month. Let me give you guys a close-up. that is all I have to say for my 2-month lock update. I will insert a quick little picture or video of what my hair looks like after I wash and retwist it. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.